video, I'll be sharing 8 tips that has helped me in building my online streams of income. So watch this video to the end for you to know what these 8 secrets are. It's not a secret though. And share this video. What's the secret to making money online, so to speak, like that? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, happy new year. Yes, this is my first video of the year. How have you been and how have you been keeping on? Please, just one thing more I have to know. I hope you've been keeping safe. So it's a new year, it's a great year, and we are all up to a great start. I can't be more thankful for this year 2021 so far. It's been good. If you're all about how to make money, how to save money, and you want to see a bit of Canada, then you're in the right place. All you need to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, and whenever I post new videos, please come and watch my videos and share as well. So that's what we do on this channel, make money. In this video, I'll be answering that question that I've been asked. Can you share with us the secrets of making money online? There's really no secrets. Making money online, it's as open as a book. What you need is just time, effort, devotion, and believing in the fact that it is possible. Up there is the link to the video where I talked about my streams of income, how I make money online, and I'll be sharing some tips that I adopted last year and that I would work on more this year for better results. But number one is mindset shift. Yes, I know when people say it's like, oh, make money online money. I know so many people would say make $3,000 online when you do this. It's not as easy as some of us make it sound. Making money online requires time. Yes, you should devote some time to learn, to improve. It requires money in some cases. You should be able to put in some money to get to know the ropes of making money online. And number 3 thing it requires is resources. When I talk about resources, it could be the gadgets that you need to get this going. So these are things you need to be mindful of. You need to put in the work for you to get that result. I know so many people say make $1,000 online, make $3,000 online. Really? Wow. So it is the effort you put in that will give you the money. If you put little effort, then you get little money. If you are not ready to improve on the skills that you're offering online, if you are not ready to learn more and scale up, then sorry, you'll be disappointed. So be ready to put in the work. If you are not ready to do the work, then please stick to your 9 to 5 or any other ways that you make money. But definitely not online. And there are some class of people that think it's not possible to make money online. So these are things you need to do when I talk about mindset shift. Don't think it's not possible because people make money online. I need to tell you this. So remove the mindset of impossibility. Don't think small as far as making money online is concerned. When people tell you they make money online, they are not lying. This is another thing when we talk about mindset shift. Then number 2, start with a plan. Don't just think because ExtraStepsCeo said, oh, you can be a ghostwriter or start a YouTube channel, become a graphic artist, like make money from your skills. No, it doesn't happen like that. You should have a plan. Why do you want a side hustle? Why do you want an online revenue? So there should be a plan for it. Is it that you want to get out of some financial situation? Is it that you want to build it up to become a business? These are plans that you make, and to get this plan well put together, make your own research about the different ways that you can make money online. Like, do your own findings, ask your own questions, see if it's something you can devote time to, see if it's something you're able to do and you're ready to do. Being able to do, it's different from being ready to do it. You can be able to write articles, but are you ready to sit down and really write these articles? So you see the difference. You can be able to make designs and see it sell, but are you ready to do this? Are you ready to give in the time that it takes for you to get the result? That's important. So when we talk about plans, these are things you need to put into place. Make your research, make your findings, ask questions, watch videos, go in for courses. There are so many courses online that would help you get your thoughts into the right place. Like, get your thoughts together and see if it's something you can do. Are you able to improve on this skill so that it can bring in more money? This is important as well. And know the pros and cons of this online stream of income that you want to go to. What does it take for you to make the big bucks like people are saying? Yeah, these are the research plan that you should do. How much effort do you need to put in to get this started, like to get the return on your investment? Bottom line of this plan is going in prepared, ready for anything. Yeah, there are times you feel like, what am I doing? Like, where is this heading to? If you have a plan already written out and you go back to that plan and you see your why, then that keeps you going. Okay, so that's number 2. Go prepared and go with a plan. Then number 3, this is so important. Pick the right money making avenue. Like, you don't just say because ExtraStepsCeo have said, oh, you can make money writing articles, you can make money by starting a YouTube channel. Is this really right for you? Then think about the long-term goal. Is this something you want to do for a long or short time? Does it fit into your personality? It's so important. Whatever stream of income that you choose to go into, whatever side hustle, whatever online business or online way that you choose to go into, it should align with your personality, should align with your beliefs, so that when you are doing it, you are happy doing it. It should be something you are happy doing. I know people would say, oh, I just want the money. No, money should not be the drive, because if you are not happy doing it, let me tell you something, making money online, be ready for some days that you'll be completely burnt out. Yeah. So if you are not happy doing it at that time, even when the money comes, spending the money might not be something that will make you happy. Making money online does not have to make you miserable, does not have to make you frustrated. Enjoy it while you're at it. Make sure it's something you're happy doing, make sure it's something you enjoy doing, and that will drive you, and it will help you in getting more results. So be sure of this before you start. These are my secret. This is something that has helped me in the last year. Then number 4, it is not all passive income that requires money. So don't get put off by people saying, oh, you need to put in this much money. No, that's why you need to make the research. Some passive income just require some level of devotion for you to get it right. For example, if you're a graphic artist, you just need to devote time to know what design sells. It's something you enjoy doing, it's something you can do, it's something you're ready to do. All you just need to do is put in more time to know what design sells, what platform would you sell more on. So that's it. Don't get scared about it. Especially if you are just starting, it's just putting in some devotion and you'll see the result. For example, if you write on Medium, you don't need money to start that. If you are a ghost writer, you don't need money to start writing, putting your articles on some platforms that will yield money. Yeah, it's just for you to learn some basic things that would help you scale up on the platform. Then number 5, be eager to learn the rope of whatever online stream of income that you've chosen, whatever way you want to make money online. Be ready to learn, and you would get better as you learn. That's number 5. And number 6, yeah, track your revenue. As the money comes in, just track it. Are you really making this money? Is it worth your time? Is it worth the effort you're putting into it? Is everything coming up together as far as making money is concerned? Number 7, making money online is not a stable income. That's why you see people saying, oh, making money online, you should have streams. Like, don't just say, oh, what I want to do is writing articles. Think of writing an ebook. And even as a graphic artist, you don't just want to be a graphic designer on one platform. Do you understand? So income is not stable. Yeah, what you make from time to time differs. Sometimes you make high and sometimes you make low income, so it is not a stable income. You cannot predict your revenue, but this should not stop you from putting in the effort. Yes, because like I said, the effort bears the result. So, and another tip that can help you is create a spending budget, a saving and investment budget. I always advise that people do percentage allocation to this budget. Like, okay, maybe 20% to savings, 30% to spending. That helps you more. That makes it better and easier for you. The last secret I want to share on this video is proper bookkeeping. Proper bookkeeping is important as you grow. Very important for you to have accurate records of your account, so that when the tax master come after you, yeah, this is what you're making, this is what you need to pay. Yes, I'm sure. And as you grow, I'm sure you need someone that will help you with your tax as well. Nobody wants to get into trouble by tax avoidance or evading tax. Yeah, so these are important. So these are the 8 secrets that I apply while I'm building my streams of income online. Let me know in the comment section any other way that has helped you while building your income online, like building your streams of income. What's more can be added to these 8? What have you done to get better at it? You know, share it with us in the comment section. And I know that as I grow in making money online, I would have more tips and I would share it from time to time. Then if you're thinking of making money online, start as soon as you can, and check out my playlist on business, side hustles, and be mindful of the fact that you need some effort to get it going. The important thing is discipline. Make your own research. Don't let other people's experience become your own reality. This is important. When people tell you, oh, it's not possible, please don't give in to that. Put in your effort, research what works better for you, and please go for it. I always say, whatever good thing that works for you, go for it and improve on it. So thank you so much. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, on this channel we get to talk about how to make money, how to save money, and I show you around the town of Kitchener, Waterloo, just for you to know how life is in this part of Canada where I live. So you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload the videos, you always come back to watch my videos. And as always, stay blessed, stay safe. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, send me DMs, send me emails, whatever question, I will definitely answer your question. So yeah, I have lots of activities happening on my Instagram page as well. There's never a dull moment over there. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you so much for working with me on the channel. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.